Our emissary to the stars, the Voyager 2 saga. Voyager 2. Think about that name. It's more than just a spacecraft. It's a piece of us, a tiny piece, hurled into the cosmic ocean, launched in 1977, a time of bell-bottoms and disco. Yet we aimed for the stars. Its mission was audacious, a grand tour. First Jupiter, the king of planets, then Saturn with its majestic rings. Voyager 2 didn't just fly by, it studied, it learned, it reported back, sending us postcards from the solar system's edge, each image, each data point, a revelation, expanding our understanding of our cosmic neighborhood. But Voyager 2 was relentless. It pressed on. Uranus and Neptune, the distant ice giants. No probe had ever visited them up close. Voyager 2 gave us our first intimate look, revealing moons, rings, strange weather patterns. A fading voice. The challenge of interstellar chatter. Years turned into decades. Voyager 2 kept traveling, billions of miles from home. Light itself takes hours to cross it. Its signals, once strong, grew faint. Whispers across an unimaginable gulf. Like trying to hear a pin drop in a hurricane. NASA's Deep Space Network, giant ears on Earth, straining to catch those fading signals. For over 40 years they kept the conversation alive, tweaking antennas, boosting power, fighting noise, but distance is a cruel master in space. Every day, the link grew more tenuous. We knew eventually silence would come. Then it happened. The transmissions became erratic, garbled. Sometime in early 2025 the data stream faltered. Was this it? The final goodbye? Engineers tried everything, but the messages were too broken, too noisy. The cosmic detective, AI, steps in. But humanity is resourceful. We don't give up easily. When old methods fail, new ones arise. Enter artificial intelligence, AI. Not the killer robots of science fiction, but powerful algorithms, learning machines. Tools that can see patterns we miss. Hear whispers in a cosmic storm. This was a challenge tailor-made for AI. The problem was the noise, the corruption. Voyager 2's last signals were buried, like trying to read a faded manuscript or understand a conversation in a crowded room. Human analysts hit a wall. The data was just too degraded, too faint. It needed a new kind of listener, a digital archaeologist sifting through cosmic dust. So, a dedicated team of scientists and AI specialists got to work. They fed the AI everything we knew. Years of Voyager 2's transmissions, its quirks, its voice. The AI learned what normal looked like. It trained itself to find the needle in the haystack. Not just any needle, a specific, faint, vital needle. The AI began its task, sifting, analyzing, reconstructing. Decoding the unthinkable, what the AI uncovered. The breakthrough came just a few weeks ago, May 2025, a date for the history books. The AI flagged a sequence, a pattern, something coherent, hidden deep within the noise. It was like finding a lost message in a bottle, washed up on the shores of our databanks. The team held its breath. Could it be? After months of digital silence, the AI didn't just find a signal. It began to reconstruct it, painstakingly, bit by bit, like piecing together a shattered vase. It used its knowledge of Voyager's systems, its understanding of error correction codes. The AI was essentially inferring, intelligently guessing. Based on fragments, on echoes, on probabilities, the process was complex. It involved deep learning, neural networks mimicking the human brain but capable of processing data at incredible speeds and with a sensitivity far beyond our own. Slowly a message began to form, not a long message, terse, urgent. The chilling contents, a message from the void. So, what did it say? This final decoded whisper? The full details are still being analyzed, verified. But the core message is chilling. It's a warning, a distress call of sorts, not from aliens, but from our own creation. Voyager 2 reported an encounter with something unexpected, something that ultimately sealed its fate. The message, pieced together by the AI, spoke of an unknown energy field, in the vast emptiness between stars. This field was described as highly disruptive. It wasn't a gentle cosmic ray, it was aggressive. Voyager 2's systems began to fail. Rapidly. Its shielding, designed for deep space, was overwhelmed. Data streams became corrupted, not by distance but by interference. This was an active, hostile environment. The probe reported its trajectory was altered, not by its own thrusters, by an external force. Something physically affected its path. Imagine the power needed to do that, to nudge a spacecraft, however small, in interstellar space. This wasn't a natural, predictable drift. This was a push, a shove. echoes of concern, grappling with the implications. The implications? They are profound and deeply unsettling. This isn't just a new astronomical phenomenon, a disruptive energy field that alters trajectories, that actively damages spacecraft. This is something new, something potentially dangerous. Voyager 2 wasn't just passively observing, it became a victim of its environment. An environment we thought was mostly empty. What is this energy field? What is its source? Is it natural? Some bizarre, undiscovered quantum effect? A plasma phenomenon we don't understand? Or is it something else? The question hangs in the air. The word artificial hasn't been officially used, but the characteristics are troubling. A localized, powerful, disruptive force. It makes the hair on the back of your neck stand up. The urgency is palpable within the scientific community. Voyager 2 was our only probe in that specific region. It was our eyes and ears on the interstellar frontier. Now it's gone, and its last message is a warning. Region hazardous. Avoid. But how do we avoid it? How do we study it? We can't just send another probe tomorrow. That journey takes decades, as we know. A new cosmic awareness responding to the unknown. So here we are, June 1st, 2025, with a message from the void, courtesy of AI, a message from our lost explorer, Voyager 2. It's a story of incredible achievement, a probe that journeyed for nearly half a century, and a story of cutting-edge technology, AI that deciphered a seemingly impossible puzzle, bringing us words from across an unimaginable chasm. But it's also a story that brings deep concern. A warning from the interstellar darkness, of unknown hazards, of forces beyond our current grasp. This isn't science fiction, this is data. Data bought with the life of one of our most iconic probes. We must take it seriously, very seriously. The first step is further analysis, intense scrutiny. Every bit of that final transmission needs re-examination. What's next? We need to observe. Can our most powerful telescope see anything? Any hint of this energy field from afar? It's a long shot. Voyager 2 was it. We need to think about future interstellar missions. How do we protect them? What new science is needed? This discovery, as unsettling as it is, will spur innovation. It will force us to confront the unknown. This is a pivotal moment. Voyager 2's final act may be its most important.